Experiencing problems with your VicoHome app on iPhone? You're not alone. Many users report crashes, login failures, and connection issues. Most of these problems can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. The most common issues include app crashes, login failures, and connection problems with your cameras. Before troubleshooting, ensure your iPhone meets the basic requirements: iOS 12.0 or later, a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and proper app permissions enabled. Check your iPhone settings to ensure the VicoHome app has access to camera, storage, and location permissions. Now let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps that resolve most VicoHome app issues. Step 1. Close the VicoHome app completely and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the app's connection. Step 2. Check the App Store for updates. VicoHome released an update in May 2025 to fix known issues and optimize performance. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. This resolves temporary software conflicts and refreshes system resources that the app depends on. Also, verify your Wi-Fi connection is stable and using a 2.4 GHz network, as VicoHome cameras typically require this frequency band. These 3 basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of VicoHome app issues. Try them in order before moving to more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your VicoHome app issues, it's time for advanced solutions. First, try clearing the app's cache through your iPhone settings. If clearing the cache doesn't help, completely reinstall the VicoHome app. This removes all temporary files and gives you a fresh start. For persistent connection issues, reset your iPhone's network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready to re-enter. Ensure your VicoHome camera is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most cameras don't support 5 GHz networks. Also, keep your camera firmware updated. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issues, contact VicoHome support directly. You can email them at support@vicohome.io or submit feedback through their official channels. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps, clearing cache, reinstalling the app, resetting network settings, ensuring proper camera connection, and contacting support when needed, you can resolve most VicoHome app issues and keep your security system running smoothly.